Alienware AW2724DM monitor best settings. Hey guys, in this video, we will see Alienware AW2724DM monitor best settings. First, set the resolution to 2560 by 1440. This is for QHD. Then, adjust the refresh rate to 165Hz in the display settings. Next, enable G-Sync compatible for smoother gameplay. Then, set the response time to fast or super fast in the OSD menu. Calibrate brightness to 80 to 100 and contrast to 70 to 80. Now choose the game mode preset for optimized visuals. Adjust color settings to your preference, for example, sRGB for accuracy. Enable dark stabilizer for better visibility in dark scenes. Next, save the settings and test in your preferred games. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.